This was the first phone I got. This is a Redmi. I mean, the exposure is kind of wild, but this is a Redmi 9C, right? Like you can see, this is a Redmi 9C, and I got this phone in 2021. I mean, it was my mom that actually bought this phone for me. I was 17. No, I was 16, right? So it was I was turning 17, and then my mom got this for me on July 30 of 2021. I mean, I remember the date because it was a very special one for me, and I mean that day it was very interesting. I mean, because that is the first. This is like the first new phone I would ever be using in my entire life, right? I mean, before then I'd used a couple of phones, but they were not new. Apart from the fact that many of those phones were even bad, right? I'd used Techno W3 rather. I'd used Techno Povo A3. I'd used Techno Spark. Techno Spark K7, right? That was given to me by my sister. So many of these phones are just like, maybe my sister might choose a phone and then she just gives me the phone. So I'd been using phone from when I was in primary school, but you know, all those button phones and all of that. So I mean, this particular phone meant so much to me because this would be the first new phone that I'll be using ever. And so when I got it, it was I mean, for me that day I carried it, I prayed. It was very, very interesting. I think, I mean, right, this is it. I want to open the phone for you to see this, all of this stuff. Look at the manual, everything is there. See, I don't know if you can see it. This thing is kind of bright, right? I mean, I'm filming this with my Samsung, and I mean, that will just take me to the next phone I actually bought. And I bought this phone by myself, right? So when my mom bought this particular phone for me, the Redmi, one of the things I actually told myself was that, I mean, that day I remember I was praying, and then I was like, with this phone I'll make my first 7 figures, my first 6 figures rather, 6 figures online. Because probably before then I'd been hearing 6 figures from different persons. Oh, 6 figures, oh, 6 figures this, oh, I made 6 figures, hey, I made 6 figures at 18, I made 6 figures. So I mean, all of those stuff, I believe that they were the one that influenced that kind of prayer. But I prayed it anyways. And then from there, I mean, a lot of things happened, right? That's another story entirely. But a lot of things happened after the end. A lot of breakthroughs, a lot of things, right? Growth, and a lot. Anyways, I got this. This is a Samsung A52. This is a Samsung Galaxy A52, and I got this in 2022, right? I got this in November 2022. I think November 16 or November 18. I've forgotten the exact date now, but the receipt is actually still here, so it's something that we can check it together. Like, look at it, right? I don't know if you can see it. See, all of those stuff are still available. I mean, I think I'm actually very good at keeping stuff. I don't know, but I think so. Anyway, this is the receipt, right? This is the receipt, and from here, the date I'm seeing here is 10th 11 2022. 10th 11 2022, right? 10th 11. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know, but yeah, the date is there. The date is there. 10th 11 2022. So I got it that November of that year. If you are hearing any background noise, I'm so sorry. I stay in school still, a private hostel by the way. But yeah, I mean, it's still a student hostel, so there's a lot going on in this particular hostel. Anyways, I got it then, and that would be my second phone. I got this for 200 and I got it for 210, and I got it on my own. I mean, I got it with my money. I mean, for me, that was a lot of progress. I mean, the fact that I could single-handedly, I was 18. Yes, I was 18. The fact that I could single-handedly purchase a phone with my money, Nah, that's some white shit. Anyways, that was it. This was my second phone, and this is the phone I'm using to record this particular video right now. I mean, that's why the quality is not the best, anyways, because I'm using the front camera. But yeah, that's it. This is my second phone, and then I use this phone throughout 2022. I use it throughout 2023. And then early 2024, that was early last year. If you are watching this video in 2025 that I'm recording this, that was January 2024. I had to buy a new phone because of my WhatsApp. Like I have a very crazy community on WhatsApp, like a lot of contacts. I think I had about 12,000 contacts at the time. And this my Samsung, right? Like I said, I would have shown you, but that's the phone I'm currently using to record this, right? This Samsung A52. So the phone could no longer handle the traffic, right? My WhatsApp would lag. It was very frustrating. Like that period of my life was very frustrating. Like it was very, very crazy. But yeah, then I had to buy. I had to now change the phone because I mean I could not come back online. I had taken a 1 month break from WhatsApp, right? I had taken a 1 month break from WhatsApp in December of 2023, going into 2024. So I knew that if I would come back to WhatsApp, I need to come back with a new phone, or else I will not be able to be back. So I got a new phone, and that was when I got S21 Ultra, right? Samsung S21 Ultra. The carton is not here, but if you check out my Instagram page, I think if you check out the post from early last year, I think I uploaded a video there. I think I even uploaded the unboxing video, I don't know, but I actually still have the unboxing video in my phone gallery. I wanted to upload the video on this channel, an unboxing video, but I didn't eventually do that because I mean I recorded the video, but I just couldn't upload the unboxing video because it was a lot editing it and all, so I just let it go. But yeah, I bought S21 Ultra, and that would be my third phone. And then I got the S21 Ultra, but eventually I got it in January, right? But eventually I had to send in March. I had to send the S21 Ultra back because I mean I was not okay with the experience from the phone, and at the same time a lot of things just happened around the phone that I had to send it back. And then eventually I got the S21 Ultra, I think for 500,000. Yeah. Eventually I now had to get a Redmi, right? I had to get the new Redmi that was released in January of last year, that's 2024, and that was the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. So that was the phone I used for a major part of 2024. I mean up to December 2024, I was using it alongside with this my Samsung. So the phone is very amazing, very, very cool phone. I got it for, altogether I got it for 700k. I mean, yeah, you know, like I said, I returned the S21, so all I did was that I just added about 200k more to the phone, to the money, to the I sent to them, and then I was giving the Redmi. So the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G was what I used, was what I was using last year, and I mean, trust me, the phone is very, very cool. So that would be my fourth phone. I think I've lost my count now. I think is it fifth phone or fourth phone, anyways. It doesn't really matter at this point. So I mean, at the later part of last year, I mean, I'm currently on social media break of my social media platforms, and my Facebook, my WhatsApp, my Telegram, my LinkedIn, like most of my social media platforms, I'm off there, right, on a social media break. You can watch my last video if you missed that. And so because of that, I feel like the phone would not be useful, because the main reason why I bought the Redmi was because of my WhatsApp community, so that I could handle my WhatsApp space well, and it handled it so well. Like it handled the 12k contact so well. But sometimes in last year I had to even delete all the contact and I rebuilt again, right? So but the main reason why I deleted the contact was not because it could not handle it. Like it handled it, like it handled it smoothly, like there was no issue at all. But yeah, I mean, with that I had to just sell the phone. I sold the phone rather. I sold the phone in December of 2024. And then, like I said, I sold it because I was not going to be using it this year, because I would not even be active on WhatsApp. I would not even be active on my platform. So the phone, I mean, if I have like two phones, I have the Samsung and then the phone. So if keeping the phone would just be me wasting, I mean, technically wasting it, because I would not really be using the phone like that this year. Anyways, I sold it, and then I sold it for, I sold it right, and then this year came, and I feel like, okay, I need to. Sometimes December, I just knew that my next phone is going to be an iPhone, because the main reason why, I think when I got the Redmi last year, people were like, "Oh, why didn't you get your Redmi? Why didn't you get an iPhone? For that price that you got the Redmi or 700k, you could have gotten a good iPhone, maybe a used iPhone, anyways, like maybe iPhone 13, iPhone 12, just really amazing iPhones." But the main reason why I didn't get it was because of Pixel app, right? I also did not trust iPhone to be able to handle my traffic. I know that it's possible for it to handle it. I wasn't so sure, but at the same time too, I also know of people who use iPhone and are still complaining of traffic, the WhatsApp traffic. So I did not want to risk it. That's the thing. Aside from the fact that Pixel app does not work on iPhone, if you are a smartphone designer, you would know Pixel app. If you are not, just check my page, right? Check out the other videos on this channel. Just scroll down, you will see a lot of videos around Pixel app smartphone design, right? Pixel app is a app I used to design, and so it doesn't work on iPhone. So that is one thing that has always been discouraging me from iPhone, anyways, because I feel like Pixel app does not work on iPhone. Anyways, I've said anyways a lot of times in this video, guys. But yeah, I just didn't get it, right? But then I eventually now, another reason was because I wasn't always using Photoshop. So Pixel Lab was always my go-to app for design. I use Photoshop and I use it so well, but I just love the convenience that Pixel Lab gives. But then I'm beginning to switch more, right? I still design with smartphone anyways, but I'm beginning to now tilt more towards Photoshop, right, for my design. So I feel like, okay, my next phone has to be an iPhone, right, so that I would use it. And so if I have to critique the phone, I am not just critiquing it as an hater, right, because I'm not an hater, but I'm critiquing it from a place of experience. And for me, that was just it. So I got an iPhone, right, and that is your essence of this video. And I got it majorly because of my content creation. I did not plan to get it this early, right? When I feel like, okay, my next phone is going to be an iPhone, I did not plan to get it this early, actually. But yeah, I got an iPhone. Yeah, I got an iPhone, and yes, yeah, this is it. I don't know if you can see it so well, but yeah, this is it. That's an iPhone 11 Pro, right? And why didn't I get 14 Pro? Why didn't I get 13 Pro? Why didn't I get 12 Pro? One, like I said, I actually did not plan to get an iPhone. Before now, get it this far. I got this for over 400,000. Yeah. No, I got it for close to 500,000, like about 500. Let's just say 500,000. So that's a lot, if you ask me. Yeah, that's actually a lot. But yeah, so that was what I could make out budget for. And at the same time too, I feel like, since this would be a good place to start, right? Since the main reason why I'm getting the iPhone is not because I actually like iPhone. I'm loving the experience so far anyways. It's been really smooth, right? It's been very amazing. It's been very, very smooth, right? It's been very, very smooth. It's actually been really, really smooth, and I'm loving the experience. But yeah, the main reason I bought it is because of video, for creating my videos. And trust me, the camera on iPhone is mad. I've always known this anyway. I genuinely I even feel like that's like their major advantage. That's the major selling point of iPhone. Like, they just invest all their energy on the camera, which is beautiful. And that's the main reason why I got this iPhone 11 Pro. The camera is mad, and I believe that going forward you are going to see you are going to be seeing more quality videos from me. Like I said, the background, you have to pardon the background and also the background noise, because I'm staying in a school still, right? A private hostel, a school private hostel, but students are still doing 1 year. And if you are a student, or if you've stayed in student environment, or if you also stay in student hostels, because I believe that most people that are watching this right now are young persons, so I believe that you would be able to relate. And that's that. So going forward, you should see videos with better quality from this space. And there are still some other gadgets that I want to get anyways, because if I'm going to be using this iPhone for my content creation, I mean, there are some other gadgets that I would get if I've not gotten them already by the time I'm uploading this video anyways. But I should get them, which is enlighten, right? I want to get I had a session with AE Temi journals, right, at the point, and then I figured the lighting he uses, and I mean, it's very, very nice. If you watch his videos, his YouTube videos, very, very beautiful. His earlier YouTube videos anyways, he uses a camera now, but his earlier YouTube videos he snapped that with an iPhone 2. And that was what actually inspired me getting this phone too, because I mean, it's like I want to actually get serious with creating better videos and better content. Anyways, that's it. So I got an iPhone, and then the charger, I mean, it's just been amazing, guys. It's just, I mean, I'm loving the experience of using an iPhone, and I think maybe I'll create another video talking about, I don't know, just maybe, and just maybe. But yeah, going forward, you should get better videos from this space, right? And yeah, that's that about this video. I've just been talking and talking and talking. Anyways, let me know if you like this video. I mean, let me know if you want to see more of these videos on your screen. And if you are new to this channel, you know what to do, right? Just hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Whether you are new to this channel or not new, and you've not subscribed, do that. But yeah, I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace out.